प्लेट सिनियर वन डे लीग क्रिकेट सर्त जिखपी गोंयचो बायलां पंगड गोंयांत पावलो. गोंयान ह्या सर्तींत पेजाद कामगिरी केल्या. मंगळारा जाल्ल्या फायनलींत बंगालाचेर संघर्शपूर्ण जैत मेळोवन ह्या टिमीन गोंयाक मान मेळोवन दिलो. हें संगीक जैत म्हूण कॅप्टन शिखा पांडे उलयलां.
बरी कामगिरी करून नव्या प्लेयरां मुखार आदर्श दवरपाचो सिनियर प्लेयरांचो यत्न आसा म्हूण गोंयची कॅप्टन शिखा पांडे उलयली.
We were in the plate group of the domestic season, but now that we reached the finals and won the finals, we are into elite. So we get to play against the best teams in the country, like Railways, who have been playing really well. So last year we got relegated. So again to go back into plate and perform the way we did, and to win the final against Bengal, which is a very good side, had two India players also. It's a really good experience for me, and also everyone stood up for the team. It's a team effort throughout the tournament. Whenever someone else did not perform, there was someone else stepping up and taking the whole team through. Enough. I mean, when I came back from the World Cup, I didn't have these many people coming. But then it really feels good, and all the girls are also excited that the media is here also to cover it. So I'm sure that for whichever newspaper, for whichever media, whichever way you guys report it, I'm sure a lot of young girls will be motivated. There are a lot of under 16 girls who have come today to receive us. So obviously when they see that the senior team is doing so well, they also are motivated. So we just want to do well so that the youngsters, the younger under 16 or under 19 girls, take a leaf out of what we are doing, and they also do better.
बरी असली फायनल म्हटल्यार टफ कॉम्पिटिशन असलें लीग पासून क्लोज मॅचीस जाल्ले सगळे. ताका लागून फायनलीचेर अशें म्हटल्यार चड परफॉर्म करपाचो प्रेशर आसलो. सो फायनल आमी त्या ग्राउंडार सेम T20 एक जिखलेली फायनल. सो तो एक मातसो प्लस पॉयंट आसलो की आमी करूंक शकता कितें. बरें दिसलें फायनल म्हणून विनींग मुवमेंट बरें आसलें.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.
सध्या गोंयभर एके वटेन इयर एंड आनी दुसरे वटेन नातलांचो मूड. वता वता थंय येशूच्या जल्माचे देखावे उबारिल्ले दिसतात. दर एकल्याचे कल्पकते प्रमाण वेगवेगळ्यो कलाकृती, तरेतरेच्यो लायटी, रंगांचे सजावटीचे क्रिसमस क्रिप्स. तातूंत समाजीक आनी धर्मीक संदेश दिवपाचोय थोड्यांचो यत्न. पळयात येशूच्या जल्माचे मडगांवां आगाळी गोकणांतले देखावे.
Gesù Cristo jolmolo, te povit matini cerati, devan sorvondar dallo. Sol dongarani sango, porvota ceso ya sansara. Sol dongarani sango, ki Gesù jolmola. Sol dongarani sango, porvota ceso ya sansara. Sol dongarani sango, ki Gesù jolmola.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॅप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.